Hey my friends, today I'm going to be unlocking a secret with you, the secret to gorgeous hair. And this is what I've been doing with my hair for a couple of years now, and my hair has changed. So I just want to introduce to you this. This is the black soap shampoo. Hey beauties, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to be talking about all about hair care and what we do. Our focus today is this hidden gem, which is called black soap. Okay, so if you've been searching for a natural solution to boost your hair health, you're in the right place today. That's just what I'm telling you. So here I will introduce to you my black soap shampoo. Okay, this is how I have it when I'm washing our hair. First thing first, what is black soap? Okay, well, it's a unique blend of natural ingredients like plantain skins, cocoa pods, and shea butter, as well as some oils. Okay, it originates from West Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, West Africa in general. And the soap has been used for centuries for its cleansing and moisturizing and nourishing properties. Now, let's talk about the benefits of black soap and black soap shampoo in particular, because that's what we're talking about today, right? So, why should you consider making a switch from regular shampoo to black soap shampoo? Now, let's explore the amazing benefits of black soap for your hair. My hair is a testimony of what black soap can do. Okay, here is my Kemp's Natural Black Soap Shampoo. First, I just want you to know that it's an all-natural solution. It's free from harsh chemicals and sulfate. It cleanses your hair without stripping away its natural oils. Okay, this is my black soap shampoo, and look at my hair, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Black soap is renowned for promoting hair growth and thickness. That's what our mothers use, guys, and they had that beautiful hair. The rich blend of nutrients nourishes the hair follicles, and it encourages stronger, healthier strands. Trust me, guys, my hair is shinier. So if you've been dreaming of luscious, shiny locks and hair, black soap can help you with that, guys. It will enhance your hair's natural shine, leaving it looking radiant and beautiful. Guys, I am a testimony of this. Okay, black soap will moisturize your hair. If you want to say goodbye to dry, brittle hair, black soap shampoo is fantastic. It moisturizes your hair thanks to things like products like shea butter, because it helps to lock in the moisture. It keeps your hair feeling soft and manageable. I've tried the two when I'm washing my daughter's hair and my hair. How do you use black soap shampoo now? Let's go to how to. Okay, how do you do that? See, I have it here in this. Now that you are convinced of its benefits, let's talk about how do you use it. I put it in this container, and it's a pointy tip, okay? And this is how it looks. I added some tea in it. You take a small amount of your black soap shampoo, and then you gently massage it into your scalp. Do you see how it's sodding? Allow it to sit for a couple of minutes, just a few minutes if you want to, if you're not in a hurry, so that it will let the ingredients work their magic into your hair. Okay, then after that, go ahead and rinse out the black soap from your hair. Thoroughly rinse it out, and then you're good to go. Okay, you can use a conditioner. Okay, you can incorporate it to your regular hair care. This is the conditioner that I made. Okay, for best results, you can put a conditioner, rinse out conditioner or deep conditioner, and then you rinse out. But If you don't want, there you have it. That's the incredible benefit of black soap shampoo for your hair. So if you've tried it or you have questions, let us know in the comments below. I sell it, and I want you to remember that black soap is good for your hair. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our beauty tips and tricks. Okay? Don't forget to stay beautiful. Don't stop yourself from trying things on your hair. My black soap shampoo has done a lot of good for me. I'm just telling you again and again. And if you're trying coffee, you can add some coffee into your black soap and put it in a pointy tip bottle like this for easy application, so that the soap can go right into your scalp and then you massage it nicely. Okay, black soap can come in different forms. This is the bar. Chems Natural, we have it on our website, and this is the bar. This is the bar soap, and I have it in shampoo form. This is from where I've been pouring into this. Okay, so I pour it into it, and then I made it for somebody, and this was the remnant. It was really nice. They could see the difference by using this black soap shampoo. Trust me, if you can make it yourself, if you have some black soap, dissolve it, add all the ingredients that you like, the powders in it, shake it together and use it on your hair. You would see that when you finish washing your hair will not be as dried as it used to be. Trust me, you will not regret it. I have not regretted it. Sometimes I feel, oh, this thing, maybe I should try something else, and I try it. Even during the same wash, I realize that when we rinse the hair, I'm like, oh my God, I reach back to my shampoo, and I'm like, you know what? I need this to feel that softness in my daughter's hair. Especially my daughter is my experiment. I use her for my experiments. And if it's working for her, I tell myself it's working for her, it will work for me. And I go ahead and use the black soap for myself. I've tried everything. I've tried rice water. Can you imagine having that rotten water? My husband was always complaining, what's smelling? But guys, since I've made the switch, my life is simple, easier. My black soap shampoo. This is my ACV, apple cider vinegar, okay, with aloe vera juice and sometimes with water, depending on if my aloe vera juice is there. If I run out of aloe vera juice, I just use water. So I use 1/4 of ACV, and the rest will be water, and then I shake it. I use the ACV with the mother, and then I have my conditioner. Homemade. I made this myself. Okay, this is my conditioner. You can leave it in, or you can just keep it as a deep conditioner and rinse it out. This is what I use on my hair. And sometimes I just go ahead, after I rinse this out of my hair, I go on with my butter, my whipped butter, apply it on my hair, and then I have my oil too that I apply. And those are the simple steps that I've been doing, guys. This has changed my hair, and I started new things this year, like finger detangling, and let's see how we're going to go, because we kind of lost some hair. My daughter wanted me to she wanted to have a little kinky on her hair, and I think that didn't really do good for her hair. And I told her, you know what, let's not do this kinky. It's not helping your hair, because I wasn't able to get to her hair, and her hair was not doing as good as it was in the past. She's young, she wants to experiment. She was starting to do gymnastics, and she wanted to fling her hair like this. And so, because I'm always hiding her hair, she wanted something that she could fling around. So, well, I'm getting a solution for that. I'm playing around and trying to do some scrunchies with whatever it is that she can shake and feel good while still protecting her hair, because I don't think that we've gotten to where we want to get to with her hair. We're still working on it. So another type of black soap that I have is this honey black soap. This one, you see that the color is a little bit different from this one. Okay, so this one has some honey in it, and this is nice for sensitive skin. So I have some families who have babies who have some kind of things on their skin, and they try this. I don't have too many of these. This is really not for sale. It's just for my family. But for my loved ones, I give them maybe one of it. I don't have so many anymore. I think I ordered like maybe 10 kg or less, and I'm almost out. So I'm really keeping it and hoarding this for my family. You can see my skin, right, guys? I had hyperpigmentation. Okay, today is a black soap. It's a hair day. One day we're going to talk. Next time we're going to talk about my skin, guys. My skin is different. Look at that. I had hyperpigmentation, like bad. But my skin, guys, is doing much better than it used to be. My skin was a mess. I'll look for one of my old pictures and show you guys. My skin was not doing well at all. I had dry skin. I had sunburn. Oh, it was a big mess, but I'm bouncing back. Look at my skin. All the spots I had, the bad spots, they're almost going away. And I use my sunscreen too, okay? So next time we're going to talk about how to maintain your dark skin or light skin, brown skin, fair skin, Caucasian skin, whatever skin you want. You can maintain it with natural things and keep glowing, okay? On that note, my friends, thank you so much for staying with us. Thank you very much for subscribing to this YouTube channel, for liking, for supporting us and supporting our home business. We are so happy to have you as part of our family. Thank you so much. And don't forget to check our website. We are still working on our Kems Natural website. I need to really get serious with that. For now, we still have our product on sleekandcute.com. If you want to buy, you're free to. We still have it on sleekandcute.com, and when we have our Kems Natural website up, we'll let you know, and we'll be sharing a lot of blogs, how-tos, and things that we do. Okay, me, I don't want to share anything that I'm not using on my hair. Some people, they try different things, mix different things, just say mix cucumber with this, mix bell pepper with that, mix this with that, and so many things, and sometimes it becomes overwhelming. I want to dedicate this channel to what I'm really doing with my hair, with my skin, with my daughter's hair, and with my family's skin. I'm trying so many things. I'm a new formulator for like over a year ago, and over a year ago now, and I've been trying. I know I was doing it scared and afraid. I thought I could never do it. I look at all these beautiful creams and I'm like, how will I be able to mix water and oil together and emulsifier to get this? I never thought that I would be able to do anything. And look at this. I've made this one for more than 8 months, I think, and look, it's still very good. There's no mold, there's no yeast. I really did it. It succeeded. It's a big success. So guys, this is just to let you know that I'm here with you for a long time, and this is going to be me just sharing my routine, really how it is. It's not about getting subscribers or getting people to like and just trying different things that I'm not using on a regular. I want to really show you what I use on a regular. This is just where we do it real, guys, because your welfare, your growth, your joy is my concern, and that's going to be my delight. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and come again for another video. Bye. See you next time. God bless you. Bye.